some breaking news that is coming to us from the state of West Bengal, where 3 seats are going to polls, all in North Bengal. One of those seats is Coonch Bihar, and I'm quickly going to turn my focus there because this is where violence is being reported. Is violence expected in an election in West Bengal? Absolutely, 100%. Violence and elections in Bengal go hand in hand. It's part of the electoral culture in the state. This time the TMC is accusing the BJP of assaulting its bloc president. In fact, we are being told that crude bombs have been found from a BJP worker's residence in the area as well. The BJP is also alleging that there has been some stone pelting by TMC workers. They are saying that homes of their cadre have been destroyed as well. Let me go across to Shreya, who is joining us from Coonch Bihar. Shreya, you're in Coonch Bihar for a couple of reasons. One, this is an area that is prone to poll violence, and that is something that has already begun. And the second is that you have a union minister who's contesting from there, Nishit Pramanik. Just speak to us about what exactly is happening on the violence front. Is it serious, or is it, as they call, chutput in Hindi?
See, right now we're reporting live from outside the residence of BJP's Nishit Pramanik. Now, let me tell you, ever since morning 7 a.m., there has been reports of violence from both TMC and BJP side. There has been multiple allegations from both the sides, from both the parties. Now, TMC have alleged that one of their bloc president has been brutally injured by BJP goons, have been threatened, have been beaten up by BJP goons. On the other hand, BJP says that in many places in Coonch Bihar, Alipurduar and Jalpaiguri, the TMC is threatening the voter, is intimidating the voters. So this kind of news we're getting from 7 a.m. in the morning, Shreya, where we see both the parties are accusing that something or the other thing is happening with both the parties. Now remember, crude bombs have also been discovered from the house of some BJP workers. It has also been said there has been stone pelting in Mathabanga area between the TMC and the BJP supporter. We have also seen that. So since morning, we are seeing that when it comes to violence front, of course, there is news from both ends, both TMC and BJP. There are allegation and counter-allegation from both the political parties. Now remember, Coonch Bihar is a seat which has a history of poll violence. If you remember the Shitalkoch incident in 2021 West Bengal Assembly election. Now this time around also, we will have to see if any major incident takes place in Coonch Bihar.
All right, we'll just see if things escalate or whether it remains localized as we are seeing right now. Shreya, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much.